Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I make my top ramen chili noodles. We need one of this. Cook it and just make sure that you won't overcook the noodles. Now our noodles is cooked, so we need to melt 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1/8 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, then add our noodles. Also, we need to add 1 egg. And finally, our top ramen chili noodles is done. And I added fresh chopped parsley here. You can also use spring onion if you want. Thank you so much for watching guys. Any suggestion for this recipe or comment is very much appreciated. So just comment it down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much. Have a good day.